Hey guys, today I got my Berlinwood rattler, so I'm gonna unbox it now. A piece of riptape. Oh, nice. And the Berlinwood. Oh, it's nice. Oh, it's nice. So now I'm gonna got the trucks on and the riptape. So wait, I got boardrails and pivot curbs. Nice. What is that? Oh, 3 pieces of grip tape. Oh, it's nice. I got the grip on, now to the trucks. And I got a stick on, now to the trucks. So now I got the trucks on. It's a really nice setup. I know the wheels is fucked up, so I'm gonna put some other wheels on. But now I'm gonna the board rails on. So now I'm gonna the board rails on. It's so nice. So that's my new setup. Berlinwood regular with grip tape and tic-tac trucks, tic-tac wheels, board rails. So